Gold against US dollar this week has rise in value, and we can see the week has started with this bullish candle here, and then the price retraced slightly back down. This was a bullish breakout as formed on the market here, and I have shared with the traders that it's expected for the price that it will reach around this one here, and this has happened. The sharing was in the Telegram group, where I share on the daily basis when the market formed some kind of bullish or bearish breakout on the market. So this week we can see on the Thursday the price formed this bullish candle or going all the way above this one, and then the price continued to rise in value. This bullish breakout on the small scale here, it was also shared inside the Telegram group, where was expected for the price to reach this area here, and also this one around this one here. So on the daily basis, the traders are informed when something happens on the market. But currently what we can see, the gold is rising in value, and it has stopped just here at the first resistance level. Now on the weekly time frame, we can see how this looks. This is a bullish candle formed here, going above, very critical here resistance level, and also this one here, which means a very pretty strong bullish momentum. Currently what we can see, it is on the market, the price is moving above, and the price is not retracing back down going below support levels, but it is forming a bullish candles going above resistance levels. Currently on the monthly time frame we have 2 more weeks, but how this looks right now, everything is still bullish, and I'm expecting to see the price going even more higher. But for that, and much more clear confirmation is this one weekly, where we can see the price has formed this bullish candle going above, and it is going above very critical levels. So it is, for me, what I can see, I'm expecting to see price going even more higher. Now, based on this one, what I can see, I will move this one here. Just a minute. Yeah, this should be here, and I will change that only on a weekly. Okay. I will return back this one here, supply demand zone, because we can see how the market behaves. So I am also adapting this resistance levels. Then let's see, is there any kind of just a minute to see where the price is making a retrace, something like this one here. This should be, sorry, this should be on the daily only. Okay, let's insert also the shape for the supply demand zone to see how the price behaves. This one here and this one here. Change it to visualization only or up to daily time frame. And let's change this one here. We have large wicks. Okay. This will be also visible here. This is okay. Okay, this is also like this. Okay, we can continue now. Now I have put here a supply demand zones for the price to see how the price is bouncing and when the price is making a breakout. So this was also a breakout bullish one where the price stopped just at the next resistance level, and we can see how the price is going up, making a wick here. So I'm expecting to see the price next week maybe slightly going down and then continue to rise in value. So I'm expecting to see the price on the gold to reach higher price levels. If there is any kind of a bullish breakout or bearish breakout happening on the market during the week on the daily basis, I will share that inside the Telegram group with the traders. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.